Chapter 3. Provisions common to both chambers. Article 63. Both chambers shall assemble by themselves in regular sessions every year from March 1st to November 30th. They may also be convened in special sessions by the President of the nation or have their sessions extended. Article 64. Each chamber is the judge of the validity of the election, rights and titles of its members. Neither of them shall meet without an absolute majority of its members, but a lesser number may compel the absent members to attend the sessions, under such terms and penalties as each chamber shall establish. Article 65. Both chambers begin and conclude their sessions simultaneously. Neither of them, while assembled, shall adjourn its sessions for more than 3 days, without the other's consent. Article 66. Each chamber shall determine its rules and, by a 2/3 vote, may discipline any one of its members for disorderly conduct in the performance of his duties, or may remove a member for physical or moral incapacity occurring after his admission, and may even expel a member from the body, but a majority of one more than half of those present shall be sufficient to decide on voluntary resignations from office. Article 67. Senators and deputies, on assuming office, shall take an oath to dutifully discharge their duties, and to proceed in everything in conformity with the requirements of this Constitution. Article 68. No member of Congress may be indicted, judicially questioned, or harassed for the opinions expressed or speeches made by him in the performance of his duties as a legislator. Article 69. No senator or deputy, from the day of his election until he leaves office, may be arrested, except in case of his being caught in flagranti in the commission of a capital or other infamous or grave crime, in which case a summary report of the facts shall be made to the appropriate chamber. Article 70. When a written charge is presented before the ordinary courts against any senator or deputy, each chamber, after examining the merits of the indictment in public trial, may by a 2/3 vote suspend the accused from his office and place him at the disposal of the proper court for trial. Article 71. Either of the chambers may summon the ministers of the executive power to its place of assembly to receive such explanations or reports as it may consider necessary. Article 72. No member of the Congress may receive employment or a commission from the executive power, without previous consent of the respective chamber, except for permanent ranked positions. Article 73. Regular clergymen cannot be members of the Congress, nor may governors of the province that they head. Article 74. The services of the senators and deputies are paid for by the treasury of the nation, with an assignment of funds that the law shall fix.